Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you step by step how you can start your own LLC in Pennsylvania so you can actually start making money. I always say that when you're starting your own business, you should focus on making money, running the business, generating revenue, and providing value to people, not taking too much about accountancy, micromanaging, administration, and also how you can create a company. So the first thing that we're going to do is just easily scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get right here to Incfile. When you're going to scroll the video, you will find in the description the link. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own company in Pennsylvania. And the first thing that you want to do is just click here, Start My Business. And then you're going to find the option here and choose your LLC and state of formation. Find Pennsylvania. When you're going to be here, you're going to have three packages: silver, gold, and platinum. So with the silver, you're going to have the option for preparing, filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. With the gold version, you're going to have not only that, that's the one that I recommend, is that you're going to have the IRS form, operating agreement, business tax consultation, unlimited phone and email support. So in a gold, you're going to have covered most of the stuff. And if you want to choose, you're going to have option for platinum. And with the platinum, you're going to have one thing, and that's called expedited filling. So your LLC would be filled faster. Also, you're going to have the business contract templates there, let's say privacy policy, terms of conditions, and domain name and business email to that. So I'll click here, get the gold package. So I will add first name Marcus Tonelius, email address. So that's what we're going to add. Okay, and when we got it, the next thing that we're gonna have here is phone number. Nice. And then we're gonna add a street address here. City. And then state and zip code. So when we have it, I'm going to press next here. And then you're going to have the state filling time. So you can go with the 15 business days or 2 weeks filling time. You got an option for you in Pennsylvania. I recommend really going with those fast version and not waiting like 12 weeks, but it's like up to you. If you're going to choose the gold version, in platinum, you're going to have it automatically. Then you're going to have the LLC name. So I will name it, let's say, Marketing with Marcus. And designator, you're going to choose, let's say, LLC. You can choose from these which one you want. And then number of members. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's say I'm going to have 1. That's just myself. And business purpose, you're going to write the business purpose, the brief description. So I will marketing service for small business owners. And tell us what your industry or business in. So I'm going to add here marketing and marketing consulting services. So here you're going to have the company address information. And here you're going to have option to use your own address or use the professional business address, and in which you would maintain privacy by using commercial address here. You can choose that or go this way to use your own. Then you would press next here. And now you're going to have an option to also upgrade for premium service package, where you would have the business contract template, domain name, and business email address. So all of that, and what you can do, you can get upgrade and bonus, or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Then you're going to have the members. So you can have member as an individual or company. And if you're going to be individual, you can easily choose the first name, street address, or you can choose a company. And then percentage of ownership. Now you can go further to next. Here you can have option to like register for registered agent. So here you can register on Incfile, and you can have registered agent like solve things for you. So forwarding important legal and tax correspondences on behalf of the company, or you can simply do it by your own. That's what you can do too. But I don't really recommend it. I really recommend have Incfile covered for you. So when you have it, you're going to click next here again. And then you're going to have the tax identification number. So Incfile will apply for you and they will obtain the EIN from the IRS electronically. It's a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. EIN number. And this is the fastest way how you can obtain the EIN number, and you don't have to do it by yourself. The Incfile is going to cover it for you. So then identification number by which I will obtain the EIN, and you will simply add a SSN number. And if you don't have the security, social security, you're going to have the ITIN. Physical street address, again, I'm going to add it here, and I'll click here next. Then you see also options to have your own bank account with the Bank of America, and you would let a business specialist contact you from Incfile. You can click here on not at this time. That's again completely up to you. And when you have it, you would click next. Then you're going to have the free consultation option. This is something that I definitely recommend for you to have, is to have it with the Incfile. So yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free, where you will learn how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes, commonly missed tax deductions, everything what you need. And then you would click next here. And then you see also the identify 2 licenses for a consulting business in Pennsylvania. So that yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. And here you're going to have the address. And when you're going to have it, use the company address. And that's something that I definitely recommend again for you to do. So Incfile will cover it for you. You would click next again. And here you're going to have the review order. So you're going to have see the also marketing with Marcus, agent information, company, member info, business tax consultation, or the info that you need. Click next again. And then you're going to have the billing information here. So you can simply have a first name, address, card number, all the important stuff. And then you would simply click here, complete and pay, when you're going to fill everything. And this is how you can simply start your own LLC. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. This is how you can simply start your own LLC in Pennsylvania. Also, you can easily write in chat or a number on the top right and go to Incfile. So that's something you can definitely do. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope you are going to have a great day. And yeah, see ya and goodbye. Bye-bye.